Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels, and this is the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. This is from the Hot Wheels Drift series, number 4 of 5, and this is 127 of 250 for the year, and it's on USA Card. Scored this at a Dollar General, or no, actually a Family Dollar. And like catching up on the old cases at the Family Dollars, GTB 25 is my number, and this is from F-Case, and it's got a special feature. So it looks like the front thing helps with the aerodynamics, it goes up and down. Custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT from the Hot Wheels Drift. Vehicles that don't see corners as obstacles, but opportunities. This looks like a very cool casting. This is becoming quite popular, actually. Seen this in quite a few models, such as like exclusives and ID versions, as well as very many main lines. Yeah, very cool casting. Custom 2018 Mustang GT. Got the white rims in front. Uh-oh, those don't spin that well. We can free them up though. Different color wheels, but it's not in error because if you look at the packaging, it actually says it on there. And also I looked it up, because I'm a geek. Yeah, it goes up and down like that. Sweet. Here is a nice shot of our 2018 custom Mustang GT from Hot Wheels Drift. Formula Drift says right there in this nice metal flake gray with red line MC5s in the back and white MC5s in the front. Looks very cool with the different wheel types. Says Formula Drift right on the side there. See if I can get that to focus in. Oh, I guess it doesn't focus that close. That's weird. Let's take a look at that. Nice color. Really liking the color on this. There's a red one. That's the newest one. FD right there. Formula Drift, I believe. Or something. Yeah, Formula Drift. It actually said that on the packaging. As you can see, on the top corner. And as always, that little bumper thing that goes up. And whatever you call it, I have no idea. This thing is cool. And black interior. Nice look at it there. This is a very cool casting. And let's take a look at the back there. The back seats are there. Metal spoiler, metal, all gray metal. Here's the base. Custom 18 Mustang GT. This base kind of reminds me of that Ford GT40 MK4. Made in Malaysia. 2018 copyright. Cool casting. Let's see how it drifts with a stuck front wheel. Let's try that one more time. Nice. Thanks for tuning in to subscribe for more. Goodbye. Well, back at my desk, this axle is a lost cause.